What's going on, everybody? Slang Dutchman here, and today we are camping. We're camping in the Volvo. We're camping in the Volvo because we have planned a Eurotrip to Punk Rock Holiday, which is a festival in Slovenia, which is gonna take from Saturday till Saturday. But we're taking the extra week to travel down there with the car, with the Volvo, and then from there, we're just on our route. We're gonna see some cool things, go to some awesome places, and just see whatever we can film. So we're gonna take you guys along for the journey, and first up is a very old town. Now I believe in the video I said it wrong, but the town dates from 1100 instead of, I thought 18 or 1700, but it dates from 1100, so it's a really old town. And we thought it was cool to see some architecture and just the whole landscape, because it's not the same as we have. We just left. We have a good 3 hours of driving already behind us. We're now coming up to a little German town that has been somewhat unchanged for, I don't know, a few hundred years, which is, well, pretty old style. And it's on the route, so we're gonna check that out. And meantime, we just ended up at a McDonald's, not necessarily for the food, but I had to take a piss. And just like that, we end up in Monsau, I believe it's been called. Look at that. This is an old town. I believe this was built and kept in the same style from the 1800s somewhere. Maybe even older. There we go. So you have to park in this parking garage, because there's no cars allowed in this town, because I want to keep it, you know, somewhat, I think, the vibe it was. So let's just go in here and check it out. Well, this is all boarded up. Let's pick the camera back up when we see something interesting. Look how crooked that house is. And also all those black lines, like some kindergartner has been drawing a house. Like, hey, can you draw on a house for me? And this is the result. I had the phone on like navigation, so I wasn't able to to film, but the way down here is like hairpin after hairpin after hairpin going down, because now this town looks like it's at the bottom of a hill, and then it goes down and down. I mean, this is all going down, and then you can look up and there's buildings, even a sort of a castle or something it looks like. It's very cool. This is a real little town, but it looks like you're in Disneyland or something. Something fairy tale like. I mean, look at this. Always take the roads less traveled, because then you see the best spots. Did we just found Jesus? Camera does not do the skill justice. I just looked up it and now I'm here. Hello! This looks so cool. Then look down There's Cas. This is such a good looking forest. Alright.
Staan we te hijgen.
So it's very hot out. It's like over, I believe it's over 30 degrees here. Celsius, that is. But then also the humidity. It's insane. And usually where we're from, I live on the bottom of the ocean, of the sea. We're not used to this incline and up and downhill and everything. Woo! This is heavy, man. But it's worth. It's only 24. Fuck. Well, the humidity here is crazy, but I mean, it's worth it. So I said 1800s. It's this has been here since 1785, which is kind of ridiculous. So after a good hour drive from the last little town, we arrived here at Gittelstein, where there should be a campsite, but we just showed up at the reception and they were like, yeah, sorry, we don't have any free spaces available. So let's hit up Google and see what kind of places we have here in the area, and then we'll see where we end up. This is a place where I've stayed before, because this is like 20 minutes from the Nürburgring. That's for tomorrow, but let's just find out where to go. This is already on it.
Yep. Checking what it is.
Setup completed. Now this is just all the room for our stuff. Nice place here to sit in the shade. And just the car fully converted into a bed. Like I said, we have like the mattress in here, and then it's such a comfy place to be. Put these sheets on the inside so it blocks out on this side like the sunlight, and also gives you a little bit more privacy, because tinted windows, especially this light tint, ain't all that. This is great. Doing a little walk. Campsite is just beyond this edge, going down. Germany. For us this feels weird because there's so many hills and forest, and Holland sucks, man. So there was like a monument thing on Google Earth. And then, what is this about? This is all in German, man. I can't read this. So if I understand correctly on this place, there was a Frenchman that came to help to one of the civilians, because one of the French corporals was trying to rape one of the women of them. He then in anger killed the guy that was attacking the woman, and when he came clean about that against the French, he was French as well, they wanted to execute him. But just before that happened, there was I believe a priest or something that intervened and made sure that this was a deed of honor instead of a crime, and he got like a medal instead of being executed. And then because of that, they have this memorial stone, I believe, somewhere from the 18. Wait, it said it here, 1812. Yeah. So that thing has been here for over 100 years. 112 years to be exact. Don't know if it looks like it, but that's pretty insane to think about, actually. Hello, Mrs. Purple.
Fucking purple.
So I forgot to film an outro because I didn't know how much I filmed already or not, so I split the video here. There's gonna be a 3 or 4 part of this whole total Eurotrip to punk rock holiday video. I hope you enjoyed it. Next video next week, we're going, as I said, to the Nürburgring. So look forward to that. If you have any ideas, thoughts about this type of content, it's a little bit different than what I used to do, but if you like it, leave it down in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace!